Hello friends, welcome back. Here I am going to give you the version 4 updates in inventory management software. If you haven't watched the previous versions tutorial, then I request you to watch these versions as well, because in previous versions I have explained how to operate the software, how to download and install, and what are the new features. And here in this version 4 I have updated few things, that is especially in this stock purchase and stock sales section. Here in the stock purchase section, I have made this item code, supplier name and item name fields dynamic. It means if I click on the item code, then it will list out all the items available. Then you can choose the item code from here. If you don't remember every single item code, then you can go to the item name box and here all the item names will be displayed. If you want to search for a specific one, then you can put here the keyword. Like if you want to find out this wireless mouse XT-B20, then you can put the keyword here. If you put here mouse, then here you can see the matching result is given. Then you can simply click on it to choose. Then when you choose the item name, the item code gets automatically filled and the price also. In the supplier name also, you can click on it. Then all the available suppliers will be given here. You can search for a specific one by putting the keyword. Suppose that if you put here 1, then here you can see this G1 supplier is given because this 1 matches with this keyword provided. This is very useful if you have large number of suppliers or items. In that case, if you want to find out a specific one, then you can use this search functionality. Similarly, here in the stock sales also, the same thing. This customer name, item code and item name is dynamic. If you click on the customer name, all the customers will be displayed here, from where you can search for a specific one, then choose. For the item code also, same thing. The item codes will be given here, and for the item name also, the item names will be given here. You can search for a specific one by putting the keyword, then click on it to choose. So this is all about the version 4 update in this inventory management software. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.